Hello everyone. So today our lesson is to find the value of unknown. And what is unknown over here? You can see that we have all numbers, but the unknown is this letter X. So how we can find this unknown? Let's see the method now. This is called coefficient and this X is called unknown. Now we need to find the value of unknown so that we can say that the equation is balanced. And how we can say that an equation is a balanced equation? If the left hand side of an equation is equal to the right hand side. Okay, now equation has two sides. One is left hand side and one is right hand side. If the two sides are balanced, that is called an equation. Now, how we can find the value of unknown? There are two methods. The first one I will do on the left hand side of the screen, and the other one I will do it on the right hand side of the screen. All right, okay. Now we'll start finding the unknown variable, that is x, on the left hand side of the screen. So we can write here 4x plus 10 equal to 30. Now, in the first method, how we can find the value of this x? Remember that to find the value of x, the left hand side, this side, should only have the x variable. But we have this 10, the constant 10, and the coefficient 4 as well. So we need to shift this 4 and 10 to the other side so that on the left hand side x is there, and then we can write equal and find the value of x on the right hand side. Now how we can do it? We can shift them one by one. Let's start with the 10 first. So you can see that the 10 has a sign of plus. There's a plus sign with 10. So if you want to shift this 10 to the right hand side, we will subtract 10 on both sides of the equation. You can see that on the screen. We want to subtract 10 from both sides because we need to eliminate 10 from the left hand side of the equation. So on the left hand side in the question, the 10 is written with a positive sign, so we will do the subtraction on both the side with the 10 number. So this 10 will be eliminated from the left hand side, and 30 minus 10 will be 20. You write equal as it is, and what is left over is 4x. Now 4 and x. So what is the relationship between 4 and x? The relationship between 4 and x is multiplication. To remove this 4 from left hand side, we need to do the opposite operation, and that is division. So we'll divide by 4 on both sides. So in equations, whatever we do on the left hand side of the equation, we will do the same thing on the right hand side of the equation. This 4 and 4 will be cancelled, and we'll get the value of x, 20 divided by 4, which will be equal to 5. Now, this is a method that we often use in our schools, that we learned that how we can find the value of variable by using this method. This is also called an elimination method. So let's move to the next method. This method is commonly used while our students are solving the questions. So let us learn this way as well. 4x plus 10 equal to 30. Now we can start the method. Now you can see that the 10 is with the sign of plus. We need to shift this 10 and 4 to the right hand side. So to shift this 10, we can make an arrow that we are shifting this 10 to the right hand side. So 4x is left over here. We can write here equal, 30 will be there, and when 10 will be shifted to the right hand side, this 10 has a positive sign. Shift to the right hand side will become negative sign. So we will write the remaining part of the equation as it is, 4x equal to 30 minus 10 which is equal to 20. Now, the next step is division. And why division? Because 4 has a relationship with the x, which is multiplication. So we'll do the reverse operation. This 4 will shift to this side and will divide by 20. So x will be equal to 20 over 4. On the left hand side, 4 was multiplying with the x. It will go the other side, will divide. So the last step will be 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5. So you can see that we have used two methods. They are quite similar, but the method on the right hand side, it has some direct steps. The method on the left hand side of the screen, it has some steps which are more appropriate. I would recommend the method on the left hand side, that is a little bit lengthy, but it is more accurate and it makes sense also. Now, how can we know that our answer x equal to 5 is right? Let us replace this x by 5. If I replace this x by 5, then I will multiply this 5 by 4. 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 plus 10 is 30, which is equal to 30 on the right hand side as well. So if you replace this x by our answer 5, we will get 30 on the left hand side, which is equal to the 30 on the right hand side. Let's move to the next page. Okay, we have another question here. 2x minus 4 equal to 6. Now in this question, we will use only one method that is more appropriate, little lengthy, but I believe that it make more sense. So you can see that this time we need to eliminate this 2 and 4 from the left hand side of the equation, and we will shift them to the right hand side of the equation. Now how we can do it? We can start with the minus 4 first. So to eliminate this minus 4, we need to add 4. We will always do the reverse operation, the opposite operation. So if we add plus 4 here on the left hand side of the equation, we will add plus 4 to the right hand side of the equation as well. So you can see that minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled. So what is left here? 2x is left, equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. The last step is division. 2 is multiplying with the variable x. So if you want to eliminate this 2, we need to divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. So 2 will be eliminated. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So x is left here, and 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. Now we have an answer here, 5. How we can know that our answer is right or wrong? We can check our answer. And how we can check our answer? We can just draw one line. I want to show that how we can check our answer. So 2x minus 4, which is equal to 6. So we can replace x by 5, because the value of x we just find it now equal to 6. So 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. It means that left hand side of the equation equal to right hand side of the equation. This proves that our answer is right. If you have any question how we can find the value of unknown variable, please just mention in the comment box. I will get back to you. Thank you.